Yeah, go. Nucleic acids serve as a blueprint for proteins and through the actions of the proteins for all cellular activities. They also store and transmit genetic information. An example of this is DNA and RNA. All these things make nucleic acid essential for all things. What you see here is an example of a polynucleotide. The blue represents the sugar phosphate backbone. It is the major structural component of the DNA molecule. It is also polar, which makes it hydrophilic. The orange represents the nitrogenous base. It is an organic molecule having the chemical properties of a base. The green represents the sugar as the pentose.
RNA tends to be a bit of a loner. While DNA has a double helix, RNA prefers to be on its own with a single helix. That's not to say RNA is antisocial. For example, DNA and protein want to be friends. This is DNA, and this is protein. The only problem is they don't speak the same language. Oh my god, what? So they have to find a way to communicate with each other. That's where mRNA comes in. mRNA takes the message from DNA and takes it over to the protein. In reality, this means transferring the information from inside the nucleus, where the DNA is, to outside, where the protein is, but the DNA can't go.
Nucleic acids are polymers of monomers called nucleotides. They are composed of 3 parts.
I'm pyrimidine, which is one of 2 types of nitrogenous bases.
I'm purine, the second type of base.
I'm a pentose, which is a 5-carbon sugar.
And phosphate group.
Pyrimidines and purines are both bases. Purines are larger bases. With a base, pentose, and phosphate group, you have a nucleotide.
DNA is one of 2 nucleic acids. It provides information for its own replication. It is a genetic material that organisms inherit from their parents. DNA molecules are very long and have thousands or millions of base pairs. Base pairs include adenine and thymine.
I'm adenine. I'm thymine. We're best friends.
Those 2 bases are always together. The other 2 bases are guanine and cytosine.
Okay, guanine.
I'm cytosine.
You can think of the pairs as A and T and C and G. They always pair up the same way, except when thymine leaves an RNA. We're done.